Pune District Education Association is one of the leading educational institutions in Maharashtra. Babroji Gholab College in Pimpri Chinchwad, Sangvi is one of the reputed colleges of this institution with various programs and educational facilities. Babroji Gholab College is affiliated to the well-known Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. All the facilities required for the educational and cultural development of the students are made available here. Necessary facilities have been provided, which includes state-of-the-art scientific laboratories, fully computerized knowledge resource center, that is library, fully equipped gymnasium, use multi-facility playground, high-speed internet connectivity, comprehensive informational website, up-to-date Moodle-based e-learning platform, that is LMS, and other essential facilities required for various cultural activities. Every precaution has been taken for the safety of the students admitted to the college. The entire campus of the college is cordoned off and is entirely within the ambit of CCTV. Highly educated and experienced professors, trained non-teaching staff are the salient features of this college. Student, teacher, parents, associations, and counseling committees are operating in the college to understand and resolve the personal difficulties of the students. Several scholarships of different types from governmental and other non-governmental organizations have been made available to the students. The college offers a total of 32 undergraduate and postgraduate programs in arts, commerce, science, computer, and vocational education streams. It has facilitated 4 notable full-fledged research centers too. In the arts faculty, for Bachelor of Arts BA and Master of Arts MA programs, there are Marathi, English, History, Economics, and Political Science subjects. In Commerce faculty, BCom, MCom, and DTL programs are available. In Science stream, there are BSc degrees programs in Physics, Chemistry, and Botany, while Master's program MSc in Physics and Chemistry. In Computer Science, both BSc and postgraduate MSc programs are available. Whereas in the vocational department, certificate, diploma, and advanced diploma programs leading to 3-year graduation BHOC in fashion technology, travel and tourism, beauty therapy and aesthetics, software development, and retail management are available. Apart from this, BBACA program related to management education is also made available. With regard to the admissions to all these programs, the legal provisions of the Government of Maharashtra and Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune are strictly followed. Apart from these regular courses, many certificate and short-term training courses are implemented to develop different types of skills in the students. Regular activities like Rashtriya Seva Yojana, NCC, Vidyarthi Kalyan Mandal are being implemented in a very systematic manner. The college has a central instrumentation facilities center required for the advanced research. Students and teachers are offered those facilities at very low and reasonable charges. You are requested to confirm your admission as early as possible. You can use both online and offline methods for admission as shown.